How to recover your lost H&R Block account. So for this, open any browser and in the search bar go ahead and search for H&R Block and give it a search. Now right here, go ahead and tap on the first suggestion shown from the official website of H&R Block and wait for you to be redirected to their official webpage. First step, you have to go ahead and enter the username, email or mobile number that you remember. If it is not accepted, at the bottom you will find the option called Forgot Your Username or Password. You simply have to go ahead and tap on Forgot Your Username. Now once you tap on it, it will ask you for your email address where you have to enter the email address that is linked to your H&R Block account. Secondly, you have to go ahead and check your email address for a verification code or a verification link. If it's a link, simply tap on the link. If not, copy the code that is sent to you and paste it right in the dialog box displayed. Once you are verified, you will get a chance to recreate your password. So you have to go ahead and create a new password. Then simply like that, you will gain your access back to your H&R Block account. If these steps are not useful to you, you can go ahead and check on the web page of H&R Block. So right here, to access the help center, you have to tap on where it says resources and check if you are signed in or not. Now if you are not still signed in, simply tap on resources and from here go to help center. So tap on the help center option for it and wait for it to load. In here, you can search for related issue articles and steps that can help to fix your problem. So similarly, go ahead and search it right here as well. And make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for watching.